Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I'm going to show you here, can you withdraw your money from Cryptomania? Well, many videos here coming out like on YouTube saying that they can actually withdraw their money from the Cryptomania. But the truth is the Cryptomania is just a demo application. So basically, this app is to learn trading only. So the total balance that you see here on Cryptomania is just a demo funds. So basically, if it's not a real money, then you will not be able to withdraw all your money from Cryptomania. So you just only need to do here, just need to try to trade it in this application so you can learn a lot about trading or like using some cryptos. So as we can see right here, we don't have any options to withdraw that money because this is only a demo funds. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.